Hi Melissa. All right, here's a quick video on how to create a video with your Elmo. So this is actually the Elmo software running. It's called Image Mate. I downloaded the version 3.09 for 64-bit computers. I'm not sure which kind you have, 32-bit or 64-bit. So that download is available on the Elmo's website. I just Googled it. Not the latest version because these are older devices, so I chose not to do. And this is the version I'm just familiar with. So this actually, this screen here is the actual Elmo camera, right? So, the document camera, etc., that I'm using now. So basically, what you see up here is this little panel here. This is to open a file, to capture like a still image, right? So click, and that'll capture just a still image. If which is useful sometimes if you're taking notes, and then you click this to save it, give it a name, like Chaz video, and then this video here. No, I'm sorry, is it this one? Yeah, this one here, I believe, will record a video. So essentially, you've got different options. I haven't really played with this much. This is a time like stop action kind of thing. It'll take like 1 frame per second, and this one here actually just records the video, and you need to give it a name first. Chaz, whoops, Chaz video.mp4. Whoops, gosh, I can't type. And then you'll see it's recording, and the only thing I don't think the Elmo has is sound. So you won't get sound. But I'm obviously I'm not using the Elmo software to record this video. I use something called Snagit. So I'm not sure how you get sound. I've never tried that. I'm not sure if it's even possible. But anyway, you see that icon's blinking. You just well, I don't know. I guess you don't click it. Just click stop there. That'll stop the video. And then this is sort of just the straight up document cam button, for live document. And then I don't know what these are. So there you go. That's about it. Email me if you have any questions.